Today we will continue with our same topic, which is from animal tissue of class 9. Today we will discuss about areolar connective tissue, muscular and nerve tissue. First is areolar connective tissue. They are simplest and most widely distributed tissue present in our body. Its fibers are loosely arranged in a meshwork. Its matrix is a jelly-like structure, or it contains jelly-like structure which is star in shape, called fibroblast cell. Functions of areolar connective tissue: it helps to bind skin with muscles and attach blood vessels and nerves to our surrounding. Okay. Next topic is adipose tissue. Adipose tissues are aggregation of fat cells, adipocytes. They are found below the skin and between internal organ and around the kidney. It is stored fat material of fat which act as insulator and also act as cushion for shock absorption. It means when we get shock from anyhow, the adipose tissue help to protect our body from shock, and it also absorbs shock in our body. Next is muscular tissue. Muscular tissues are long, narrow cells called muscle fiber. It brings about movement of body parts. The cytoplasm of muscle fiber is called sarcoplasm. Types. First type is voluntary muscles. As you can see here, they are narrow, cylindrical, unbranched fiber with blunt end. There is no sticky end is there. They are blunt end. They are multinucleated. They are found in body wall, limbs, tongue, tip of esophagus. The functions are: it can be moved at our will. It means, as far as their name, voluntary, it means we can control over our voluntary muscles. They form almost 50% of our body weight. Second part of muscular tissue is involuntary muscles. As far as their name, involuntary, it means their movement is not under our will. They are also called smooth muscles. They are spindle shaped, arranged in a bundle. As you can see, there is only one nucleus is present. It means they are uninucleated cells. They are found in iris of our eye, ureter and bronchi of lungs. Here you can see the structure of involuntary muscles. Now moving towards cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle, the structure is there. They are also uninucleated. They are cylindrical, branched and uninucleated structure. They form interconnecting network. Muscles filament are connected by dark junction is called intercalated discs. They are present in our heart. It means heart muscles is made up of cardiac muscles. Next is functions. It works rapidly, rhythmically and tirelessly, and contracting, relaxing from earlier embryonic stage till then. The last topic of chapter 2 is nervous tissue. Here you can see the structure of nerve cell. Nerve cell, it consists nerve cells. It is specialized to respond to stimulus and transmit stimulus very rapidly. Our nervous tissue consists of brain, spinal cord and nerve cells. If we see the structure of nerve cell, the star-shaped structure, which in the center is nucleus is present, and the branches are known as dendron, which further divided into dendrites, which help to receive impulses and send impulses to the next part. And the one branch of dendrites are long than other are called axon, and the gap between two axons is known as node of Ranvier. This axon is open into the axon ending and muscle. The gap between one dendrite to other or one axon ending to other is known as synapse. The major function of nerve cells help to receive impulses and send these impulses to the brain for further work. So student, this is for your chapter 2. In next my video you will learn about chapter 3. Thank you.